Mercy creates opponents, force removes them. People like to pretend their mercy is noble, but most of it comes from fear, not virtue. Kindness without strength isn't morality, it's an apology. Show forgiveness to someone who's already tried to undermine you, and you don't win loyalty. You simply prove you're safe to exploit. Predators don't respect softness, they consume it. But here's the part people often twist. Strength isn't recklessness. It isn't cruelty for pleasure. Real power sets boundaries that can actually hold. Order doesn't survive on good intentions alone. It needs a will that cannot be pushed. Napoleon warned against showing weakness, and he understood something most people ignore. Power works best when it's cold, patient, and deliberate. It doesn't lash out. It waits, assesses, and acts only when victory is guaranteed. That's what breaks resistance. Mercy without leverage invites attack. Mercy with leverage ends it. In a world ruled by pressure and outcomes, pretending everyone plays fair is self-deception. Either you shape the terms, or someone else shapes them for you. Choose the role that doesn't cost you your future. Napoleon Bonaparte.